guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Now we're going to learn how to install or make your own images. So first of all, you need to come here to Ubuntu.com, and it's going to choose these things like this. You're going to come down there, and you're going to search the Jammy Jellyfish version. In this case, we're going to install the A22A04. After this, you are going to click, and then first you are going to install it. It's going to appear. You are going to come here to desktop image. After this, you're going to click in 64-bit PCMD desktop image, and after that, it's going to install. Now that you already had installed the Ubuntu, you are going to come here to the VirtualBox. In this case, are called VirtualBox Manager. We are going to click on New. You're going to put the name wherever you want. In this case, we're going to put Ubuntu Distribution. You're going to come here, select your own image. In this case, we're going to go Other, and the one that we already downloaded. So we're going to open it. Here we're going to click on Next. You can select wherever you want. Of this base memory is the RAM, and this one is the CPUs. I'd recommend you to stay in the green part, the green line. So yes, we can put it like just in the middle to not force the machine. Now you can choose where the disk, and you're going to click. This is just the summary of what you did. We're going to click on Finish, and we can already start it. And to click on Start, and that's it. We came here to it's going to appear this Ubuntu image. You can close this window, and you're going to be like, if you try or install Ubuntu, just click Enter. Now we can choose our own language is we're going to use. In this case, we can keep it in English. Now we're just to ignore this part. I will try Ubuntu and I'm going to install it. We're going to click on Install Ubuntu. Now we're going to choose our keyboard layout. In this case, my keyboard is from Mexico, so we need to put it in Spanish Latin America. And yes, we can put continue. What apps would you like to install? Normal installations and download depths while installing Ubuntu. We keep this one selected. We click on continue, and we wait. Now erase disk and install. We keep this one selected, and you click on install now. Just going to ask you some username and anything. And you have to put continue. Yes. And we selected your own series. From where are you, and your name. In this case, my name is this one. And in this case is it was missing the letter G, and we're going to keep it this way and choose your own password. I'm going to choose this one. And yes, recommend password. Yeah. And continue, and now it's going to install all the Ubuntu distribution so you can use it, and let's see tune to the next part. Now that we are already in Ubuntu, we're going to go to the terminal, and after we open the terminal, we're going to put this command to install and start with the cubic installation. In this case, we're going to put Now we put this code that is sudo apt at repository ppi cubic wizard release, we enter. You're asking for my password. In this case, you put your own password. Now it's going to show this thing that is supposed to is the creator. Now we're going to press enter. Now it's going to download. After this is already done, we're going to add another line. In this case, it's going to be the next one. Now we execute this line. This is the Ubuntu the key server, and with this line and numbers. And now it's going to operate this thing. After that, we need to put another line that is going to be this one. Now in this case, we're going to install this, we're going to update the system, and we're going to install a Cubic. Now we're going to press enter again, and after we press, it's going to be now. After we end the download of this Cubic, now we can see it on the menu right here, and you got the click on menu, and we'll have it right here. Now if you click it, it's going to approve this custom Ubuntu creator. Now you can choose where you want to save it. In this case, we're going to go here, and right here in home, we're going to create a new folder named image ISO, and we're going to create it. Now we're going to save or ISO in this case, and we're going to click next. Now for the next step, Cubic is asking for the original disk. So for this, we're going to need to go to Firefox to search the actual Ubuntu that we had. So remember, it says with shades P. This is dot ubuntu.com. And it's going to appear this. We go down there, same jellyfish, click on this one and download. Now we can wait to download this one. Now that it's already solid, we can go to the Cubic again, and now we're going to go to file name. In this case, we need to find the Ubuntu we just download. Maybe most probably things will be downloads. We select this one. It's going to appear all these things, set this name and everything, and now we're going to make our own disk. In this case, this will be the first version, because it's our own disk. Now there is our own disk. We're going to change the name. We can change it from here. In this case, it's going to be name program and we're going to change here to the same thing, because you are not going to do the same thing. So yes, this will be not custom Jelena, this will be program final beta. And what is going to be here is this thing, and we're going to release all the links. We don't need release URL. So yes, we click next, and it's going to change everything too. Now we need to wait some time to this be finished and be connected. Now that the logging is already in, we're going to put these commands to access to some carpets and to change the icon. In this case, we're going to use CD to access the user carpet. Now we have access to the user carpet. Now we are going to use LS to see in which carpets does the user have. In this case, we're going to access to the share one. So now we're going to put the share. After share, we're going to put play mount right here. And we're going to see if our logo is right here. So we're going to change to see what's in the carpet, and the Ubuntu logo is right there. Now we're going to go back to share. To do this, we're going to put cd ... and yes, that's the way we do it. Now we have to put in play mat again. So it's going to be like this: play mat. No, cd play mat. Cd play mat like this. Now it's play. Play mat. And now we're going to add the default sources. To add the default sources, we're going to put this command, that is echo desktop session. Yeah. Now that we have this one, we're going to go to Nano to modify. Let's try apt sources. This thing's one that is universe. Multiverse. You can copy it and just paste it like this. Like this, copy text, and then you can go right here. And then you can make the right click and paste it. The same way with the next line. Paste, and after that is Control X. So Control X.
Now that we have created a new ISO, we need to create a new VirtualBox. First, click the New option. Then you can choose the name that you like for your new Ubuntu. Now that you have the name, choose the file of your ISO. Click Next. Choose according to your preferences. It is recommended to use 100 megabytes, and for the processors, 3 CPUs. Next. In here you can choose up to 1000, but we will use, in this case, 100. Finish your machine. As you can see, the new VirtualBox is ready. So now press Start to take a look. There can be problems, as we are taking a look in here. To solve this issue, go to the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-S and end the task VirtualBox. Select the task and end it. Now the machine will be in aborted state. Close it. Go to the storage part. Select your ISO by clicking on the CD icon, the new one. Continue. And click OK. Now try again. And ready. You can now install and try your Ubuntu.